want to get out that picture?
Shit. Shit, dumb man.
Good job, N.O. Yes, sir.
And I was about to tell her, just send me home. So I fuck something up, bro. Look at this shit. It's like, fitment is crazy. Fitment is fucking crazy, bro. You can't say nothing else. That's on like this side, everything's perfect except this side over here, bro. It just scrapes. So I don't know what the fuck's scraping. I really don't. No, what's how do I know what's scraping? I don't know. All right, I'm home from work, and this is how she sits. Way too low for Ohio. I like it, but she sits way too low. So right now I'm about to jack it up. You see how the tires are all the way up there? I don't really, it's tucked in there, you know what I'm saying? So like every bump is over with. And then back here it's just scraping a lot because it's lower than the other side. So I'm gonna just get that side together and then we'll see how it's looking.